Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is made for how to code fast in VS Code. So my first tips is you can see here are too many code here. So how I find a specific code, then like I found this home. Then when I click Ctrl F, then you can see here is search bar. Then you can how many times this home is used, then you can click here and you can find them. Also you can find this home whole project. You need to do, you can click here and alter shift F. Here are all of home you can search it. Also when you need some space, this neighbor you need 2 or 3 neighbor, then what will we do? Then you can click and then alter shift down arrow, you can copy it too many times. So it was your time is saving here. Also when you have remove this, but I need this neighbor, so when I click Ctrl Z, then this will be come before what you removed, then you can find it. Also when you need some specific files folder, then what we will do here, you can click here, then go here, then mouse click is need 2 more time. When you need some specific file, then you can click Ctrl P and then search your file name, like I need user.js, also login.js, then you can see I can come here. So it was a good choice. I think it will save your time. And also when you need like I will go here, I need this home, it is down, like I need this on this side, so I can click here and alter down, then this line will be down. So it was gonna save your time. And what we do, you can select, then Ctrl X, then you can paste it. It was too many time to take, and but this was is good choice. So also you can change too many lines, then you can too many cursor, also give too many cursor, like here you also need here, then click alter plus mouse click, alter plus mouse click, alter plus mouse click, alter plus mouse click, then you can too many route. Also you can navigate here, like alter plus down or mouse click, then you can type something, then all are clicked, all select, and then all are closed. Then also when you select this and too many side this type, then I need to remove this all. So one then take too many time. So what I do, then I can click Ctrl D, then all select here and I cross, then it will be closed and it will be delete fastly. So it was also a good choice. Also I will give one more, like you select this element, then Ctrl F, but you need when sometime you need change the name, then what will we do is this here, click and replace here, give elements, I will give elements, then you will click here, then you can see here all name are changed, but I don't need this element, that's why I will get element, then I click Ctrl Z, then it will become the element. So I will give one more, like sometime you need auto, you can see here not will be open the autosave. If you need autosave, then you can click file, and here you can see here autosave is on, it's clicked, then it will be on. Then when some changes, then your autosave will be auto-saved. You don't need to save default, like Ctrl S click. So you can use also I will show some extension like auto rename tag. This tag will give you auto rename all your tags, HTML, all tags. So it was a good choice. And also you can use JavaScript ES6 code snippet. These when you use ES7, also you can use ES7, you can search here, and you need to treat your code formatter. It's a good format formatter code, you can also use this. It was a good code snippet. Also can use Quokka. It was also a good extension. So you can use this and save your time. And one more thing, when if you use TypeScript, then you definitely use this paste.json as code. It was a too good extension to make type. You can type just JSON, then give here the JSON name, then you can also already make the typed. So it was too good for a TypeScript. So I think it was a great choice to use it. So this video is stop for here. So good luck, and if you need this like of video, then comment me on comment section. So also subscribe my channel.